Hi guys, and welcome back to It's the Little Things with Becky. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to open up a package that I received in the mail. I'm holding it aside, I don't want to show my address. But anyway, it's from the page I follow on Facebook. I won a challenge on there, so this is my prize. So I am going to open it up with you guys and show you what I got. I'm going to be honest with you, today's been a day already, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet, but hopefully it's going to get better, right? Happy Monday. But it can only get better, right? Okay. So, the first thing I am seeing, is some candy. One of those Tootsie Pops, which is cool. This is like the blue raspberry, I think. So there's that, which is cool. I have no idea what prize I'm winning. I never know. But that's completely fine. I like surprises, at least as long as they're good ones. Another Tootsie Pop here. And this is their cherry. Like I said, I like surprises as long as they're good ones. We have another candy here. Ooh, another Tootsie Pop. This is, watermelon. I like this one a lot. Alright, so now I see this big thing here, and it says, congrats Becky on winning the Hot Summer game. We hope you like it and can't wait to see some looks with it. Oh, thanks, sweetie. That's nice. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so we got some more candy here, some more Tootsie Pops, which is cool. And then this that I got open here. Let's see here. That is definitely in bubble wrap. It is not going to go anywhere. Do I have to cut you out? Oh, no. We got it. Ooh, what's this? Throw that away here. Ooh, this is Tarte High Performance Naturals Dream Big Amazonian Clay Palette. Double Duty Beauty. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing an eyeshadow palette, but that's really cute. Packaging says Dream Big. There were some arrows from Tarte. And then on the back here, oops, sorry guys, it's Double Duty Beauty. Let's open it up. I got one Tarte palette from them before, and that was kind of like this, but I think this one is completely different. Alright, so once again, same type of packaging here. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Put this down. Oh, it smells nice too. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Sorry, guys. She is cute with a nice mirror there. Some fun colors, some shimmers and some mattes as well. It says, this is it. All in, go for it. Hustle, happening, you can, ambitious, risk taker. I like that. That's cute, and I like how it's like little and travel size. Not that I'm traveling anywhere, but it's cute. Smells good too. I don't know why I get like the hint of chocolate with that. That is cool. Well, thank you. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. So let me put that back. And I got some other things here. I have, okay. So it looks like this, and then it's a little glitter. I don't want to, well, I guess I could open that. I just don't want the little glitter to go everywhere. So we'll just leave that closed right now. But it's like little glitter. Like maybe I can find a way to stick some jewels on my face or something. That's cute. So there's that. Oh, okay. We got some earrings here. Those are fun. Here's those. And then the last and final thing is, oh, this is from Nicole Miller, I believe that's what that says. New York. Maybe like a gloss or a lipstick. It's cute. Travel size. I like the packaging. Let me just... Okay, so I'm assuming that's a gloss. Let's just try this real quick here. Okay. Feels nice. And soft. Ooh. Yeah. So it is a gloss. You can't really obviously see it, but that's alright. So it looks pink in the bottle, but it comes out like a clear, which is fine by me. That's cute. Well, thank you. Lily, this is from Tiffany. Yep. Well, thank you. If you're watching this, I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to use all this stuff. And thank you for the nice little note on here, too. That was really sweet of you. So yeah, there was all the things I got today, guys. I just wanted to show you, kind of do a little opening because I like doing them. I have fun doing them. But that is it from me today. If you guys I would really appreciate it. Give me a big thumbs up. It would help me out a lot. And also, if you would subscribe to my page by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the bell over there, I would really appreciate it. It would help me out a lot. That is it from me today, and I will see you guys very soon with another new video. Bye!